Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to find the general equation using variable separable method with a particular substitution. Let us start with problem number 1. dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y plus 1 the whole square. Now it is not possible that in every sum we can directly separate the variables. Sometimes we get an equation in which separating variable becomes a tough part. In such cases we are going to put that part as v. Here you can see, if I elaborate this, I need to use the formula a plus b plus c the whole square. That will give you a square b square c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. And after solving that, it is not possible to separate the variables. So in such cases, we can directly substitute 4x plus y plus 1 as v. After that, you need to check that in the equation we have dy by dx or dx by dy. If we have dy by dx, you are going to differentiate with respect to x. And if we have dx upon dy, you need to differentiate with respect to y. Here we have dy by dx, therefore we will differentiate with respect to x. After taking the derivative, we have 4 plus derivative of y with respect to x will give you dy by dx plus derivative of 1 will be 0 is equal to derivative of v will be dv by dx. After that, you can find the value of dy by dx. Here the value of dy by dx will be dv by dx minus 4. Now let us substitute dy by dx as dv by dx minus 4, and at the same time we can write this as v square. Now as you can see, the complex sum has turned on into a very easy expression. Just take minus 4 on the right hand side and we are ready to separate the variables. So we have dv by dx is equal to v square plus 4. Taking dx on the right hand side, we have dv is equal to v square plus 4 into dx. Now the last step of separation will be taking v square plus 4 on the left hand side, which will be divided. Now friends, as you can see, we have already separated the variables. So let us start integrating on both sides. Integration of 1 upon v square plus 4. First, I can write this integral as integral 1 upon v square plus 2 square dv is equal to integral dx. And I can compare this integral with the standard formula 1 upon x square plus a square. As we know, it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here the value of a will be 2. So that is 1 by 2 tan inverse of v by 2. On the right hand side, integration of dx will give you x plus c. Once our equation is ready, we need to resubstitute the value of v, because our question was in terms of x and y, and here we are getting answer in terms of v. So therefore, in the last step, we are going to resubstitute the value of v. After resubstituting the value of v, we have 1 upon 2 tan inverse of 4x plus y plus 1 upon 2 is equal to x plus c. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.